Right. Okay. So we've got an hour on the cash basis proposals, and we've had some early questions that people have sent in. So I will get to those, but let's just sort of start with a little bit about why I think this is a good topic to do. Overcast in Essex, chilly Wales. Right. Why is this a good topic to do? I think that a lot of you listening are the sorts of people that probably would have useful views on expanding the cash basis. And although the professional bodies and, all that sort of people will do a response, if you could find time to do a very quick email to the team who are working on this, I think that would be really useful, because you're at the sharp end. You are dealing with businesses that might or might not be on the cash basis. For lots of you, probably are not on the cash basis at the moment. But given that this is trying to expand, my view is that actually probably advertising the cash basis would increase take-up. My view also is that there are more businesses using the cash basis than HMRC thinks are using the cash basis, because I suspect they forget to tick the box. My view, based on the experience of taking on clients who are unrepresented, is that pretty much everybody who's unrepresented uses the cash basis because they don't know there is another basis. If they forget to tick the box to say I'm using the cash basis, it doesn't mean they're not using it. It just means they haven't ticked the box. So I think actually use of the cash basis is quite a lot wider than HMRC actually thinks it is. However, let's run with the idea that it would be a good idea if more people use the cash basis. As I say, I don't really know why we want more people to use the cash basis, but let's have a look at what the proposals are. So that's why we've got a cash basis. Let me look. Martin Levin, I've been preparing financial accounts since 1963. It was at the time termed incomplete records. We called it cash and bank. We did accruals and prepayments. Okay, Martin, let me please define what is meant as the cash basis. Right, Martin. No accruals, no prepayments, no debtors, no creditors, no capital allowances except on cars. So it simply is, Martin, money in and money out. There are some special rules that I'm going to get to, but it is simply money in and money out. So what would I say? What would I say? So in conclusion, let me just pull two things together. My personal view is that better advertising the cash basis to unrepresented taxpayers would lead to increased take-up. As we've said, they probably are doing it anyway, but they're not ticking the box because they don't understand. So I am going to push off now. Thank you for joining me. I hope it was useful. You've got a sort of a bit of a diatribe on what the cash basis is and where personally I see the flaws. You've got a summary of what the consultation is looking at doing and a call to action to say, if you've got a minute, do email Tom and put cash basis in the subject line, and there you go. All right. Okay. I will see you again. The next one is scheduled for Monday. I think it's May the 15th. It is indeed. I don't know what I'm talking about then because it hasn't happened yet, but we'll come up for something. Thank you. 15th of May. All right. See you soon. Cheerio.